Want to redeem an Amazon e-gift card? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to redeem an Amazon e-gift card. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. Now head over to amazon.com. Make sure to log into your account. Then you want to click on the account and list option. Once you click on this option, click on gift cards. Now you will find two options here. Reload your balance and redeem a gift card. Go ahead and select the second one. Here you simply want to enter your claim code. Dashes are not required. If you do not know where to find the claim code, then it is 14 or 15 characters long and will usually contain both letters and numbers. If you have a physical card, the claim code can be found under a peel off or scratch off label on the back of your card. Go ahead and enter that, then click on apply to your balance option. The entire gift card amount will be stored in your account and it never expires. Once redeemed, your gift card balance cannot be transferred to another account or used to purchase other gift cards. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.